Good evening. So we are from Black Mamba Group, and let us introduce ourselves. My name is Amanda Caroline. My name is Akila. My name is Siva.
My name is Fano.
So now we're making a chicken steak, and this is the video. Enjoy our video. Yeah.
For the ingredients, we have chicken breast, potatoes, green beans, long beans, carrots, corn, barbecue sauce, and oyster sauce. The first step is to wash the chicken breast and then cut it in the middle so that the spices can be absorbed. Then we add pepper powder, seasoning, and salt. Then we mix it, and after everything is mixed, we marinate the chicken breast for 30 minutes. While waiting, we wash all the vegetables and then we cut them into pieces. After that, we boil it in boiling water for 15 minutes. After we let it sit for 30 minutes, we put the chicken breast in a pan that has been heated and pour it in sesame oil. We also put the potatoes that we have cut into pieces into the pan containing the chicken breast. And it's splitting time! And voila, our chicken steak is done!
So that's our video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Yahoo! We're gonna make chicken steak. Stay tuned.
I'm addicted, 끊임없이